Did you know that when you savor a piece of gata, you're actually tasting a piece of ancient history? Discover gata, an authentic Armenian pastry with a history of over 7,000 years. Gata's roots trace back to ancient sacrificial rituals. Archaeological evidence shows that ornamenting ritual bread with stamps was a practice as early as 7000 BC. These stamps, found throughout the Armenian highlands and later in neighboring regions, were used to decorate this sacred bread intended for the gods. Gata was once considered a special ritual bread. The tool used for intricating designs is called gata nakshi, gata ornament embossing tool, emphasizing gata's special status as a ritual bread. In the Bronze Age, similar stamps spread across Eurasia. Even today, some of these patterns are still in use, highlighting the sacred significance and heritage of these designs. Although sacrificial customs faded with the advent of Christianity, the tradition of baking patterned bread continued. The embossed signs on gata, once symbolizing deities, remain a cherished part of gata's legacy and have been preserved through millennia. Next time you enjoy a piece of gata, remember its rich history and the stories etched into every bite. Experience the taste of Armenian tradition. Try gata today.